Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो के लिए I'll be sharing with you guys some cheapest items that I got from Savana. मैंने कोशिश करा है कि हर एक कैटेगरी से कुछ ना कुछ ऑर्डर करूँ and I've tried ordering the cheapest item from each of the category from Savana and I have bags, trousers, dresses, tops, t-shirts वगैरह सब कुछ मैंने कोशिश करा है कि हर एक कैटेगरी के अंदर से मैं cheapest items को उठा के आप लोगों के सामने रखूँ. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो let's quickly get started with today's video. मैंने ऑर्डर तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें करा था बट आधा आया हुआ है एंड आधा अभी भी बाकी है आना. सो आई हैव 7 to 8 आइटम्स. मैंने 14 to 15 आइटम्स इन टोटल ऑर्डर करा था एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर. सो 7 से 8 चीज़ें अभी आए हुए हैं. सो आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड. लेट्स सी द क्वालिटी. लेट्स सी if the cheapest items from Savana is worth buying or not. Let's start with accessories. मैंने bags, belts वगैरह सब कुछ ऑर्डर करा था बट मुझे फिलहाल एक ही एक्सेसरी रिसीव हुआ है and that is sunglass. A pair of sunglass that I had ordered. Pricing वगैरह सब कुछ मैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर डाल दूंगी. Again सारे लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. Do not worry. So for sunglasses मुझे ये वाला पेयर सबसे cheapest दिखा था and it's called classic sunglasses and it retails for just 490 rupees but आपको 20% ऑफ में ये अभी मिल रहा है. that retails for like 390 rupees and आपको 3 shades में मिल जाता है. so this is what I had ordered. ठीक है. and if you're wondering, I also got this beautiful cover from Savana. A haul is coming up very soon. This is how it looks like. Oh wow, even Savana अच्छा एक केस दे रहा है wherein I got a pair of eyeglasses from H&M and ऐसे ही पेपर में पैक करके भेज दिया. So they did not even bother to just send it with a case. So this is what you get. ठीक है. Retails for just 490 rupees and आपको एक अच्छा खासा एक केस मिल जाता है. And when you go ahead and open this up, nice packaging काफी इसका अच्छा है. you get the sun is right here or the sunglasses right here and oh wow आपको इस तरीके से इसका cloth भी मिल जाता है to clean up the sunglasses. so this is what you get. yeah, it actually looks nice for 390 to 490 rupees. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. so this is how it looks like. I don't know if it's gonna suit my face or not but this is how it looks like. मेरी मम्मी को actually चाहिए था sunglasses तो मैं probably ये दे दूंगी उन्हें. but this is what you get for 390 rupees on Savana and this is the pair of sunglasses that I got for just 390 rupees from Savana, which was the cheapest of all in terms of sunglasses category. and this is what it looks like. To be really honest, for 390 rupees, I am not even going to complain at all because the quality seems to be nice and it actually looks so good. Now let's move on to all the clothes that I had ordered. So the very first piece of clothing that I had ordered is this very beautiful color block tank top. क्रॉप टॉप हम जो बोलते हैं समर के लिए मैंने ये वाला क्रॉप टॉप मंगवाया है which was again the cheapest of all for just 490 rupees. Again it's on a sale at 20% off for just 390 rupees and this is what it looks like and the product that I had received looks like this, exactly like the picture. I hope it fits me. so this is how it looks like. बहुत ही similar pieces आपको Zara and H&M में मिल जाएंगे. so oh my god, it looked so cute. This is what I got for 490 rupees, which was cheapest of all in terms of tank top. so this is what it looks like. The quality is absolutely going to be so perfect, especially for the summertime. and मैंने order करा है in the size small. Next I ordered this very beautiful drawstring straight leg shorts and it retails for again just 390 rupees. so मुझे shorts चाहिए हुए था because summer is here and I wanted to order a pair of shorts and this is the pair that I had ordered. बहुत ही beautiful आप देख पा रहे हो but I did not order in the color blue. Instead मैंने pink में मंगाया है. so let's go ahead and see this and it just retails for 390 rupees. so this is what it looks like. देखने में तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा similar है but oh god the material is totally different. मुझे लगा था कि ये cotton का आएगा but ये straight up एक polyester silky material का है. so I don't know if I will be keeping this because I was hoping कि ये कॉटन का होगा, बट ये पूरा का पूरा दैट पॉलिएस्टर सिल्की प्लास्टिक की फीलिंग नहीं होता है. It's exactly like that. So yeah, this is what the next item looks like. I was actually hoping a lot from this. देखने में तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा था, देखने में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है, but the material is completely a no. But I'm totally disappointed with the material. I hope कि they come up with a cotton version of this, because I will definitely go ahead and buy that. So this is what the second item looks like. काफ़ी प्यारा है, but the material is totally disappointing. जब बात हो रहा है about summer clothing items, how can I not go ahead and order cute t-shirts? So this is the t-shirt that I had ordered. It was for just 490 rupees and it is called printed pullover t-shirt, and this is what I had ordered. ठीक है, बहुत ही प्यारा. आप देख पा रहे हो एक गन बना हुआ है, beaded दिखा हुआ है, and आपको 3 कलर्स में मिल जाएंगे. It was for 490 rupees, which was cheapest of all, and this is what I got. ठीक है, let's go ahead and check this out. I think this is going to be such a cute piece right here. And yes, ये भी कॉटन का नहीं है, but it's like a cotton blend. हल्का सा कॉटन है, हल्का सा पॉलिएस्टर है, तो हल्का सा आपको गर्मी लग सकता है. This is what the beautiful next and my third item looks like, which was cheapest of all in the category of t-shirt, and this is what it looks like. बहुत ही प्यारा है, and it is going to be again very comfortable. Print तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा beautiful है. So yeah, you can go ahead and choose something like this. Wear your t-shirts, wear your jeans, shorts or your skirts, and you will look so nice and stay absolutely comfortable. And the last 3 items that I got, these are all trousers, and मैंने सारे के सारे basic black color में मंगवाया है, but you're going to absolutely love this. So in terms of comfortable and drawstring, थोड़ा सा relax वाला fit trouser, I got this straight leg trouser, drawstring trouser. It was for 742 rupees, and ये सबसे सस्ता था in terms of this relaxed fit, trouser. And this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and check this out. So I am hoping a lot from this because बहुत ही अच्छे reviews थे, बहुत ही relaxing, fit था, and that's the reason I got it, especially because of the summertime. And oh my god, this is going to be so comfortable. So this is what the trouser looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो drawstring style है, and then you get this loose, relaxed fit that just will keep you comfortable and will make you look so nice. So this is what the next item looks like. बहुत ही basic एक trouser है, relaxed fit, straight leg drawstring वाला trouser है that will keep you comfortable all throughout the summertime while you look absolutely stylish. एक चीज़ मैं बता देती हूँ कि सारे के सारे चीज़ें मैंने ऑलमोस्ट साइज स्मॉल में ऑर्डर करा है, चाहे वो ड्रेसेस हो, टी शर्ट्स हो, टॉप्स हो या फिर ट्राउजर्स क्यों ना हो. आई हैव ऑर्डर देम इन द साइज स्मॉल, जो कि मेरा रेगुलर साइज है. नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड एंड मूव ऑन टू द 2 अदर ट्राउजर्स जो मैंने लिया है, एंड ओ माई गॉड, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली गोइंग टू फॉल इन लव विद देम. A lot of you guys wanted me to go ahead and try this street style fashion. So I had ordered this very beautiful bow straight leg pants, and इसके sides में ना बहुत ही beautiful सा detailing है. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ इसका. I think this is out of stock, but this is what I had ordered, and you guys wanted me to try something in street style, so that's the only reason I ordered this. And पैराशूट स्टाइल का एक स्ट्रेट लेग पैंट्स है, बट द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट आपको साइड से इतना खूबसूरत सा एक डिटेलिंग मिल जाता है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ दोस street style fashion, you can absolutely go ahead and try something like this. Just look at the detailing right here, lace, and then you get this very beautiful bow detailing all over the side of the pants that just looks absolutely gorgeous. So ye raha the hem of the pant, and then the pants right here around the waist. Normal एक parachute pants है, आपको इस तरीके का इसका elastic detailing मिल जाता है, and then बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा एक साइड में डिटेलिंग मिल जाता है जो कि बहुत ही गर्ली. एंड गाइस, दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर 690 rupees. So if you are looking for those parachute looking pants, especially for the summertime, but wants to have that that hint of feminine and girliness onto it, you can definitely check something like this, which will make you so stand out and you will look so good. And for all my elegant ladies, I have a beautiful trouser that will just make you look stand out and you will look so nice and elegant. And this is called the button straight leg pants, and this is how it looks like. You can find similar items on Zara as well and as well as H&M. आपको लगभग वो 1500 से 2000 तक का पड़ जाएगा, but it is just for 1200 rupees right here, 1272, but मैं 1200 का बोल रही हूँ. And this is what I got. ठीक है, this is the last item that I have, and I really wanted to order something like this for myself. H&M से देख रही थी, but then I saw a similar pants here on Savannah, so I thought why not order it from here. So oh my god, this is how it looks like. The material of the pant is quite thin, but I'm pretty sure H&M का अलग quality का होगा. But ये वाला जो है ना काफ़ी thin है, but it is not going to be transparent at all. In fact मैं तो बोलूँगी कि summer के लिए ये actually में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हो गया कि हल्का material का है. So you will be staying all comfortable throughout the summer time. So this is what the pants looks like. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ से 2 बटन दिए जाते हैं एंड साइड से आपको जिपर डिटेलिंग मिल जाता है एंड आपको यहाँ से पैंट्स बंद करना होता है एंड देन यू गेट द होल पैंट्स राइट. या बहुत ही सिंपल सादा सा एक पैंट है, स्ट्रेट लेग है, but the detailing is right here around the waist. That will just make you look so stand out. So yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारी चीज़ों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप जरूर चेक कर लेना. एंड इसका सेकंड एपिसोड बिल्कुल मिस मत करना. वेयर एंड शेयर सम ब्यूटीफुल स्कर्ट, ड्रेसेस, टॉप्स वगैरह सब कुछ मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ. बैग्स वगैरह सब कुछ मैं ऑर्डर करा है एंड you're going to see that in episode 2 of me trying out some cheapest items here from Savannah. So yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you do, then do like this video and जरूर से subscribe करो चैनल को. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.